Hey folks, this is just going to be a quick video demonstrating my Star Trek experience FERENGI shot glass replica kit. I just want to go over first what comes with the kit. You get the 4 pieces of the stand plus the shot glass, and also a painting stand or painting bracket. This is obviously what the finished product looks like with a coat of paint on it. The kit is 3D printed using Filicube PLA2 filament. I use that because not only is it a quality PLA, but it takes sanding especially well. So if you decide you want to sand it smooth or whatever, this will make that much easier than standard PLA. The kit is assembled fairly simple, but let me go over that in a second. If you decide you want to smooth and paint the kit, I suggest putting a layer of primer on the top surfaces of each piece first. This is the surface that the user will see primarily looking down at it. Anyways, putting a good coat of primer or even a gap filling primer on those surfaces makes it real easy to then sand them on a flat piece of sandpaper like this before you assemble it. Once it's assembled, obviously it's a little little tougher to get in there with some sandpaper. The kit is a peg and hole system, very simple. Just put some glue on the pegs and slide them in the holes. And with just a little bit shuffling, it goes right in, and it holds fairly well. Once assembled, it's a pretty sturdy piece. This is the painting bracket or painting stand. The way that works is it clicks into the bottom holes of the base. There's little prongs, and so it does click in there pretty good. It takes a little bit of force, but it holds it well once it's in. You'll then have this with your model built up on top of it. Take a pencil, or in my case, a disposable chopstick, put it in the hole, and now you've got something nice to hold and spin it with while you spray paint. Once it's done, you can try and pry the stand out of there, but it's a disposable piece, so I just say grab some clippers and clip it out. And that's about it. There isn't much to it. So that's the kit. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. Thanks.